Welcome back to 50 Car. Not all vehicles are meant for the road. Some are born to conquer what roads fear. The 2026 Hummer H1 charges into the modern era with brute strength, military DNA, and unapologetic mass. It's less a car, more a rolling fortress on tires, one that draws admiration, awe, and honest criticism. Main features. The 2026 H1 is the reborn warrior of the Hummer legacy, electrified, digitized, and militarized. Built atop GM's Ultium electric platform, it boasts 3 motors delivering 1,000 horsepower, 4-wheel steering, air suspension, and a staggering 18 inches of ground clearance. It's extreme, yes, but purpose-built for terrain where few dare venture. Exterior design. The front screams intimidation with a wide vertical-slat grille, armored LED headlamps, and reinforced steel bumper. Angular fenders, exposed rivets, and boxy panels deliver a retro-military feel fused with EV sophistication. Side mirrors are camera-based, and the flat rear is offset by a high-mounted spare tire and tow hooks. Pros: unique, commanding, unmistakable silhouette. Cons: impractical for urban streets. Massive size hinders tight maneuverability. Interior and dashboard design. Inside, the cabin surprises with plush Alcantara and carbon fiber, contrasting sharply with its militant shell. The 15.6-inch infotainment screen anchors a minimalist but robust dashboard, flanked by analog toggle switches that retain its rugged character. Seating is generous, while thermal-controlled surfaces and a digital HUD add luxury. Pros: tech-rich yet rugged, roomy, immersive driving position. Cons: limited rear visibility, climbing and requires effort. Performance. This beast hurls its weight from 0-60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. Despite tipping the scale beyond 9,000 pounds, its torque vectoring, crab walk mode, and adaptive suspension let it slither, climb, and storm nearly any terrain. Max speed is capped at 106 miles per hour, focusing on control over chaos. Pros: insane torque, terrain dominance, real off-road utility. Cons: battery range plummets under stress. Replacement parts are specialized and expensive. Market positioning. With a price tag pushing $130,000, the H1 appeals to elite adventurers aged 35-60. Rivals like the Rivian R1S and Mercedes EQG offer finesse, but lack its brute soul. Daily driving? Not its strong suit. As a recreational off-road god? Peerless. Additional features. Solar roof, underbody cameras, 10,000 pounds winch, military-grade roof rack, and extended range 200 kilowatt-hour battery. Warranty: 10-year battery, 5-year powertrain. Optional: thermal night vision, desert survival package, and mobile air compressor.